Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 3. The Ministry of National Security has announced that all female juveniles in the correctional system have been moved to the renovated South Camp Road facility. It's in line with Minister Peter Bunting's commitment to have a complete separation of juveniles from adults in the correctional system by the end of 2013. The renovated South Camp Road Correctional Centre is designed to eventually separate into two, though adjacent facilities, to house the island's female adult and juvenile inmates. For the immediate future, the juveniles will be the only occupants at the South Camp Road facility. The ministry says it transferred the remaining female juveniles from the Diamond Crest Juvenile Correctional Centre and Fort Augusta between last week and this Monday. Jamaica Customs will be upgrading its information processing platform to facilitate more electronic transactions. Finance and Planning Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says the move is in keeping with the revenue collection aspect of government's economic reform program.
At the same time, we will be reviewing the overall tariff provisions as we seek to make our economy more competitive.
Dr. Phillips was speaking at a vehicle handing over ceremony at Jamaica Customs. The two buses will improve staff welfare, reduce the cost of transportation, and allow staff easier access to work assignments. Commissioner of Customs, Major Richard Rees, added that upcoming projects like the establishment of a hostel in Montego Bay, a gymnasium, and aftercare services for children will also cater to the needs of the staff. The initiatives form part of a wage restraint agreement between government and public sector workers. St. Mary's infrastructure network continues to benefit from upgrading works, with the latest being the construction of the Westmoreland Bridge. The bridge, which was out of commission for 6 years, was reopened recently. It will connect several communities and result in shorter commuting routes. Member of Parliament for South East St. Mary, Dr. Winston Green, said the repairs would also open up access for increased commercial activities.
Life will return to the communities of Georgia, Louis Store, Clonmel, Ranch, as far as Cromeland and Siding. Putting in the other variables, business will start to bloom again.
In revitalizing those communities, both social and economical, it falls within the whole ambit of what the government of Jamaica wants to do, to continue the growth and development of people.
The bridge was constructed by the government and China Harbour Engineering Company and signals the government's commitment towards the growth and development of communities and citizens. The Jamaica Cancer Society is appealing to men over 40 years old to get their prostate screening done annually in order to facilitate early detection and treatment of prostate cancer. The appeal comes as the Society marks September as Prostate Cancer Awareness Month under the theme Don't Procrastinate, Check Your Prostate. Speaking at the JIS think tank session last Wednesday, Executive Director Hewlett Gordon said prostate cancer continued to be the leading cause of cancer-related deaths among adult males in Jamaica.
So we are really hoping that through medium like this, that we will really touch something in the thinking of the men who are at risk out there, and somehow mobilize them to come in and to get checks.
The Jamaica Cancer Society will be offering a 5% discount on screenings throughout September, with a symposium on Sunday, September 8 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. And finally, Jamaica, represented by Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil, has been elected to chair the United Nations World Tourism Organization, the UNWTO Executive Council, for the year 2014 to 2015. The UNWTO Executive Council deliberates on policies and strategies that affect tourism worldwide before making recommendations to the General Assembly for action. As a member of the Executive Council, Jamaica represents the interests of the Americas region. Jamaica, which currently serves as first vice chair for 2013, was also re-elected in that position for 2013-2014. The island will be the first English-speaking Caribbean country to hold the position of chairman and will assume the role in October 2014. Minister McNeil says it further concretizes Jamaica's position as a leader in tourism. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.